In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign in to your Facebook account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Now under your profile icon, you'll be able to find settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. In here, go ahead and click on settings, and this will redirect you to the settings page. Now in here, go ahead and head to Account Center by clicking on See More in Account Center at the left side of your screen. Now on the Account Center, go ahead and click on Personal Details. Now in here, go ahead and click on Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and click on deactivation or deletion. Now go ahead and select your Facebook account from this list. And as you can see in here, you have two options. You can either deactivate your account or delete your account. By deactivating your account, you can temporarily delete your account on Facebook, but you'll still be able to use Messenger. While if you delete your account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on your account alongside with your profile on Facebook. Go ahead and select the Activate account and hit on the Continue button. Now, once you continue with the next step, you'll need to enter your password to confirm this action for your account. So go ahead and click on Continue once you're done entering your password. And to the next step, you'll need to select the reason why you're deactivating your account on Facebook and proceed with the next question. Now, in here, you can select when you'll automatically reactivate your Facebook account. Since I want to reactivate my account after a day, I'll just choose one day in this menu. Now, click on Continue button and click on Deactivate my account to proceed with deactivating your Facebook account. And that's how you can simply deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.